Today I want to show you how to remove the residue glue from the furniture. So here's what I did. Clear tape, I taped some noodles at the edges when my son was small, and now I removed it, but I got a lot of residue and it's not coming off, so I'm going to show you how to remove this easy way. This is an IKEA furniture. You can see this side I removed it already. I still have this other side. What I used, I was using this hand sanitizing wipes with 75% alcohol, and I was trying to use a piece of cloth. So here, if I try to remove the piece of cloth, I will have to rub it a lot and it just smudges all over. So it doesn't come off clean. Now if I do it with the with this sanitizing alcohol wipe, it comes off easier because the alcohol will not let the glue stick back, so it's not gonna smudge. But again you have to rub a lot.
I have my coconut water too.
Hey, enough, I'm talking now. As you can see, it's a fight here. But now I'm gonna show you another way. In this bottle I put some sanitizing alcohol. So first moist it, spray it a little bit, and then I'm using this SIM card, so any credit card or whatever you can use. And then look how easy it's coming off. Scrapes right off. Oh, by the way, this one is dry, so I want to show you if I try to scrape this one off, what's gonna happen. Here, this is what happens. Nothing. But we use the alcohol, and there you go. It's coming right off. Then I get the big residue off with a piece of cloth, and then again I'm using one of those sanitizing wipes, alcohol sanitizing wipes, and just wipe it until it comes off clean. There you have it. No residue, no nothing. Very clean. Here I have to put more alcohol and scrape it more, and it will be done. But here where I already did it, or here, I scraped it a little bit. Oops. And this one, I guess it needs more scrubbing and more scraping. More alcohol and more scraping. And then the wipe. And look the difference. So there you have it, very easy way to clean up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.